Exam taker, board taker, o nag-aaral ka ba? Huwag kang papasok sa exam na kulang sa preparation. Tandaan, hindi sapat ang dasal lang. Kailangan may tamang reviewer, updated materials, at solid na practice. Kung gusto mong mas maging ready, mas confident, at mas prepared sa exam day, ito na ang sign mo. Avail na ng updated review materials with 500 to 1,000 plus files, free lecture videos, complete reviewers, Q&A, downloadable and printable soft copies, plus lifetime Google Drive access. Files muna bago bayad, kaya safe at sure ka muna bago mag-payment. 99 pesos only each reviewer. Special packages for 99 pesos or take all reviewers for only 99 pesos. Message now and start reviewing today. Huwag nang hintayin ng last minute. Maghanda habang may time pa. I-PM mo lang ako sa Facebook page na Study Smarter Not Harder para makapag-avail.